Welcome to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's sure to capture your interest. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just getting started, this video will provide valuable insights and information that you won't want to miss. So sit back, relax, and let's explore together. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become one of the hottest topics in the world of technology. With the advent of ChatGPT, an AI-powered chatbot created by Microsoft-backed OpenAI, people are both impressed and shocked by its ability to answer questions, write essays, and even argue legal cases. But with the rise of AI comes concerns about how it might impact jobs and careers. Will AI take over certain jobs, or will it create new ones? In this video, we'll explore the possibilities. According to Stephen Miller, Professor Emeritus of Information Systems at Singapore Management University, AI will replace some jobs. As technology becomes more capable thanks to AI enablement, it is economically viable to replace a greater share of human work with machines. Certain roles are more vulnerable than others, especially ones that are highly repetitive or based on specific instructions or rules. However, not all jobs are at risk. Jobs that require adaptability, flexibility, and a strong human element are much harder to replace. For example, Dimitris Papanikolaou, a professor of finance at Northwestern University, believes that jobs that emphasize interpersonal skills are unlikely to be taken over by AI. But what about new jobs? Steve Chase, consulting leader at KPMG US, believes that AI will create new types of jobs, just as the creation of computers and specialized machines did in the past. The creation of new jobs resulting from the ability to create and deliver new types of goods and services has far outpaced the number of jobs displaced. Rather than being replaced by AI, it's more likely that people will work alongside it. AI and the technology and products based on it are still limited in certain ways, according to Papanikolaou. At the moment, AI models are about predicting the right response given a set of data. AI is still far from creating new knowledge. Therefore, businesses are using AI to enhance efficiency or otherwise support employees. AI algorithms and the technology based on them might not be about to replace people's jobs, but they will likely become a bigger part of everyday working life. The key is for businesses to adapt by educating employees, helping them to upskill and reskill, and creating frameworks for using AI technology in a responsible way. With the right approach, AI can help workers do their jobs more effectively and drive material efficiencies for their business. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next one.